hiring candidates for the role of software engineer. In this video, let me see what are all the eligibility criteria and how you can apply for this particular role, software engineer in LTI. First, let me see the company profile. Larsen & Toubro LTI is a global IT services and solutions provider with presence in 22 countries. We solve complex businesses challenges at the convergence of digital and physical with our real-world expertise and client centricity. We help clients create captivating customer experiences, enhance processes, and build innovative business models. This is the company profile they have provided, and the job role they are providing is software engineer. Now let me see the job description. Experience in .NET MVC, C#, Web API, experience in front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS3, Bootstrap, experience in SQL Server reporting services, experience in writing SQL stored procedures, good written and oral communication skills, self-starter with quick learning ability and efficient implementation skills with respect to country, should be able to work under strict deadlines with good quality. The job location they are providing is Pune, and the experience needed is 0 to 4 years of experience. Now let me see the eligibility criteria. Educational qualifications needed is BE or BTech, CSE, IT and ECE. 60% are 6 GPA and above throughout without running any backlogs. 2019, 2020, 2021 graduates can apply for this particular role. Now let me see the selection process. There are 3 rounds. In first round, you will be attending the online test. It will be containing the programs too. You want to solve programs plus apps. In round 2, there will be like a technical interview. Sometimes this technical interview will be like 2 interviews or 3 interviews. And at last, you will be having the HR interview and you will be getting an offer for this particular role, software engineer. This is the Telegram link. If you have any queries, you can ask me via the Telegram, and if you want to know the latest updates about the jobs, you can follow me via the Telegram. I will be posting the videos. This is a link where you can apply for this particular job role. I will be giving the link of Telegram and the apply link in the description box. You can apply for this particular role. If you want to know the latest updates about the jobs, you can follow me via the Telegram as well as the YouTube channel. And let me tell, the package they are giving is like ranges from 6 to 10 LPA for this particular job role. All the best for your interview process.